Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my English lesson. Okay, well today's topic it's about procedure text. Okay, so before we start the before we start our discussion, I would like to pray first. Okay. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman waj'alni minas solihin. Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge and provide me with sustenance for understanding and make me one of the pious. Ya Allah, tambahkanlah aku ilmu dan berikanlah aku rezeki akan kepahaman dan jadikanlah aku termasuk golongan orang-orang yang soleh. Okay, let me explain about the purpose of this study. Melalui kegiatan menyimak teks prosedur, peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi teks prosedur tentang resep makanan atau minuman pendek dengan teliti. Lalu melalui membaca teks prosedur, peserta didik dapat menentukan fungsi sosial, unsur kebahasaan, dan struktur teks prosedur tentang resep makanan atau minuman pendek sederhana dengan benar. Lalu melalui diskusi grup, peserta didik dapat melafalkan beberapa kosakata yang berhubungan dengan teks prosedur tentang resep makanan atau minuman pendek sederhana dengan benar. Okay. So this is about procedure text. The meaning of procedure text is a text that shows a process in order, and the social function of a procedure text is to tell the reader how to do or make something through a sequence of series. Okay, so there are generic structure of procedure text. There are three kinds of structure in procedure text. There is goal, it is contain the purpose of the text. Materials, it is content of the materials that used in the process. And the last is there is step, describing the steps to make something in the goal. Okay, so there are language features in procedure text. First is using simple present tense, and the second is use adverbial of sequence like first, second, third for 5 minutes or the last. Third is using imperative sentence or command like add some sugar and break the egg. And the last is using size or dose like half of teaspoon of sugar, 50-gram cheese, 3 tablespoons of salt, like that. So this is the example of making procedure text. Okay, there are 3 generic structure of making procedure text: goal, materials, and also steps. Goal, it means like I was tell you before, is to make a purpose of the procedure text, how to make a cup of tea. And the materials also you need a teapot, sugar, and the ingredient is boiling water, glass, and the tool is glass or cup. Okay, so that's the materials and the tools of making cup of tea. And there is a step. Okay, the step is describe the process of making a cup of tea. So first, put some tea into a teapot. And the second is then add boiling water, leave it for 3 minutes, pour it into a glass or cup, add some sugar. Okay, so that's an example of procedure text. Okay, so I will tell you about this. What the picture down below. The picture, let's see. Okay, the picture it's a sandwich. This is Another example of making procedure text: how to make a sandwich. That's a goal. And the second generic structure is ingredients and also tools. First, ingredient is two slice of bread, cheddar cheese, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, tomatoes, lettuce leaf. And also there is step. First, place a slice of bread on the plate. Second, put the tomato sauce. Third, add salad, sliced tomatoes, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, tomato sauce. After that, add lettuce leaves. Then put a slice of bread on the top and finally serve it. Okay, so that's all of the explanation and also the example to make a procedure text. I hope today you learned something from me and you can practice in your home to make a procedure text. And it's that all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.